I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make incredibly easy banana bread. First, let's get our oven ready by preheating it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll only need 3 simple ingredients: 3 very ripe bananas, 2 large eggs, and 1 standard box of yellow cake mix. Also, prepare your 9 by 5-inch loaf pan by lining it with parchment paper. This makes removal super easy. Now, let's create our delicious batter. Begin by mashing your 3 very ripe bananas in a large mixing bowl until they are mostly smooth. Next, crack in your 2 large eggs and mix them well with the mashed bananas. Finally, gradually whisk in the entire box of yellow cake mix. Continue mixing until your batter is completely smooth and uniform, with no dry spots remaining. With your batter ready, it's time for baking. Carefully pour the smooth banana bread batter into your prepared 9 by 5-inch loaf pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. This indicates your bread is perfectly baked. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then, carefully remove it using the parchment paper and transfer it to a wire rack. For best results and to prevent deflation, consider cooling it on its side, flipping it halfway through. Once fully cooled or even slightly warm, slice into generous portions and savor your wonderfully easy, homemade banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.